Today, let me share with you a delicious meal. Fried shrimp with cucumber. Crispy and refreshing after serving. Nutritious and delicious, especially suitable for summer eating. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. Prepare 2 cucumbers. Add a spoonful of salt. Pour a little more water into it. We cleaned the cucumbers with light salt water. Because the surface of the cucumber is uneven, wash with light salt water. Not only can pesticide residues be removed, it can also wash away dust and impurities on the surface of the cucumber. After washing, control the moisture. Put it on the cutting board. Then use a peeler to peel off some of the skin of the cucumber. Don't cut it all off. Leave a little green skin. The color looks better when fried. Next, cut off the head and tail of the cucumber. Then cut the cucumber in half. And then we divide it into 4. Cut the cucumber into long strips. We will shave the melon flesh in the middle with a flat knife. Melon flesh has more moisture. When frying, it is not only easy to get water out, is not crispy enough. Next, we will change the cucumber to a knife. Cut into sandal slimy diamond-shaped pieces. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare some garlic. First, slice it up. Then change the knife and chop it into minced garlic. After chopping, put it in a bowl and set aside. Prepare a small piece of ginger and also cut it into slices, and we cut that into little filaments. And finally, minced ginger. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare some mushrooms. Add a spoonful of salt. Also pour in a little more water. First, scrub the mushroom with your hands. After washing, put it on the cutting board. Cut the mushroom into 4 pieces. This mushroom is delicious and very fragrant. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, add a spoonful of cornstarch to a small bowl. Then pour in a small half bowl of water. Stir well with a spoon. The water starch we often say is ready. After stirring well, put it aside for later use. Prepare some fresh shrimp. Add a pinch of salt. Add a little cooking wine to remove the fish's smell. Sprinkle some pepper, a little bit of cornstarch. Then start to give him a good grasp and mix evenly. Let's marinate the shrimp like this first. After grabbing well, put it aside for later use. Next up, pour in a little more water. After the water boils, pour in the mushrooms. Blanch the mushrooms first. This can effectively remove the oxalic acid in the mushrooms. Cook for 2 to 7 分钟. Remove the mushrooms from the water control and put them in a bowl for later use. While the water in the pot boils, pour the shrimp down too. Simply go through the water. Just stir it for a few seconds. Then quickly fish out all the shrimp. After controlling the water, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the ginger and garlic down and fry until fragrant. Then pour in the cut cucumber. Turn on a high flame and stir fry quickly and evenly. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Thank you for your continued support and encouragement. This dish needs to be on fire the whole time. The cucumber fried in this way will be more crispy. Fry until ripe. Add the mushrooms. Continue to stir fry evenly. Let the cucumber absorb the aroma of mushrooms. Next, add the shrimp. Keep the fire going and stir fry quickly. Stir well and add salt, a little chicken essence. Pour in some water starch. Then quickly stir fry a few more times. Just collect the soup inside until it is thick. Is that a very simple and delicious cucumber fried shrimp? You can put it on a plate. Buy cucumbers home in the future. Don't always eat it cold. I make a cucumber fried shrimp this way. Light nutrition. The whole family loves to eat. The cucumber inside is crisp and refreshing. Shrimp and mushrooms are delicious. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.